Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is the part 3 of this topic, the greatest common factor or GCF. This is also the last part of the topic, so please watch out for this. This is for Mathematics 4. So we have here 36 and 48. This is for the ladder method. Let's write our solution here. We have to solve it separately. So for letter A, we have here 36. You should know your prime numbers so well to solve for this kind of equation. So if you are having confusion about prime numbers, kindly watch our episode which is pertaining to identification of prime numbers. Okay? So let's solve for this. Kindly think of a prime number that can divide 36. That is 3. 36 divided by 3, that is 12. Think of a prime number again that can divide 12, and we can have a 3 here. 12 divided by 3, that is equal to 4. Prime number that can divide 4, that is 2. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. And then prime number that can divide 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So therefore, for 36, we have here 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. Let us have letter B. We have here 48. Kindly think of a prime number that can divide 48. Of course, without remainder. So we can have 2 here. So that's 48 divided by 2. So that's 24. And then think again of a prime number that can divide 24. We can use 3 here. 24 divided by 3, that is 8. So again, think of a prime number that can divide 8, and that is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Prime number that can divide 4, that is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Prime number that can divide 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So for 48, we have here, let me just use my text here. For 48, we have here 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now, let's solve for the GCF. So this is 36 equals 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. For 48, we have here 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now, let's look for partners. We should pick, for example, 3. This number should be also on 48. It is, right? So I will box it. So that is 3 and 3. They are partners. 2 and 2, they are partners because both of 36 and 48 contains 2. And 2 and 2 also. 3 and 2 is not partners because they are not the same number. Also for this one. So for the GCF, we have here 3 times 2 times 2. Per box, though we have here 2 numbers per box, you will just write it once only. If you have 2 threes here in the box, you will write 1 3 only. Same with twos. So we have here 3 times 2 times 2. Now let's solve. 3 times 2, that's 6 times 2. 6 times 2, that is 12. So therefore, the GCF of this given is equal to 12. Next, another. This is the last part. That's 21, 70, and 140. So we have to solve this separately. So let's write solution here. And then letter A, that's 21. Think of a prime number that can divide 21. We can use 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Think of a prime number that can divide 3. That's 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So for 21, we have here 7 times 3. Let's have letter B, that is 70. So think of a prime number that can divide 70. We can use 7. 70 divided by 7 is 10. Think of a prime number that can divide 10, that is 5. 10 divided by 5, that's 2. Prime number that can divide 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So for 70, our factors are 7 times 5 times 2. For letter C, we have here 140. So think of a prime number that can divide 140. Let's use 7. So 140 divided by 7, that is equal to 20. So we have 20 here. And, and then think of a prime number that can divide 20, that's 5. 20 divided by 5, that's 4. Think of a prime number that can divide 4, that's 2. 4 divided by 2, it's 2. Think of a prime number that can divide 2, it's 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So therefore, for 140, we have here 7 times 5 times 2 times 2. Now let's find the GCF of the following numbers. We have here 21 equals 7 times 3. We also have here 70 is equal to 7 times 5 times 2. We also have here 140 is equal to 7 times 5 times 2 times 2. Now, I want you to look for partners of the number. So we have here 777. These are partners. How about 5 and 5? No, it is not included. Because though we have 5 for 140 and 70, but we don't have it in 21. And that is also true for 2. We have 2 for 140 and 70, but we don't have it for 21. So therefore, our answer here is GCF equals 7. No need to multiply it to another number because we don't have any other number to multiply with. So that's the end of our topic, the greatest common factor using listing method and the ladder method. If you have inquiries about us or about the topic, kindly message the FB page of the Honors Tutorial. Thank you and God bless.